Hi everyone, welcome to my online course. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the fourth tone in Mandarin Chinese, and you will learn how to produce the tone correctly. Let's get started. The first tone is a flat and a high-pitched tone. It's like a da. One more time. Da, da, da. We practice this tone. Da, da. And look at this word. Ta, 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 ta. Well done. Next, we try this first tone and first tone. Da, 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 da. Nice. Da, da. Good. We look at this word. 咖啡, 咖啡, 咖啡. Good. Next, try more. Da, 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 da. 开心, 开心 means happy. 开心. Next, the third tone. The third tone is a low pitch tone, and you will feel your throat working on that. Da, da, da. We try this word. 我, 我, 我 means I. 我, 我, 我. Next, 你, 你, 你. Nice. We combine the first tone and third tone. Try this one. We practice the tone. Da, 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 da. Is a high pitch tone and a low pitch tone. Da, da. Good. One more time. Da, da. Okay. We look at this word. 中午, 中午, 中午. Good. Next, we reverse it. The third tone and first tone. Da, 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 da. Low tone and high pitch tone. Da, 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 da. Okay, we look at this word. 喜欢, 喜欢, 喜欢 means like. Next, the second tone is a rising tone from middle to high. It's like in English. Da, da, da. Again. Da. Good. This example is the second tone and second tone. So the tone is da, da. Again, da, da. Again, da, da. Okay, we look at this word. 便宜, 便宜, 便宜 means cheap, inexpensive. Next, we try this first tone and second tone. Da, 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 da. Good. Look at this word. 欢迎, 欢迎, 欢迎. Good. Next, we reverse it. Second tone and first tone. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Nice. Look at this word. Taiwan. 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 Good. Next. It's a bit tricky, but you can try it. The tone is second tone and the third tone. Da, da. Da, da. Da, da. Good. Look at this word. 啤酒啤酒啤酒 Good. Means beer. Okay, we try this one. The third tone and third tone. Da, da. Da, da. 你好你好 Do you feel a bit weird? Yeah, it's strange because we pronounce the third tone and third tone. It's quite difficult to pronounce it because it's called tone change rule. When it's third tone and third tone, we always keep the last third tone and change the others to second tone. What does that mean? Like 你好 it's like a robot and it's difficult to say it. So we keep the last third tone, change the other to second tone. So it will become second tone and third tone. Da, da. Da, da. Again, da, da. So if look at this word will be 你好你好 Good. Try more example. Da, da. Keep the last third tone and change the other to second tone. 很好很好你发音很好 You mean your pronunciation is good. It's very good. 很好很好 Next. Da, da, da. This word, the tone is da, da, da. So we keep the last third tone, change the other to second tone. So the tone will be da, da, da. Da, da, da. Again, da, da, da. Nice. So look at this word. 总统府总统府 Again, 总统府 Nice. It means presidential office. Next, the fourth tone. Fourth tone is a dropping tone. It's from high to low and speak sharply. So it's like you say no in English. No. So it will be 大大大大 Nice. Try more example. 大大 Look at this word. 大大 means big. 大大 Next. 大 The tone is 大 Look at this word. 爱爱 means love. 爱 Again, 爱是是 Okay, try again. 是 Good. We try this one. Fourth tone and fourth tone. 大大 The tone is 大大大大 Nice. Look at this word. 笨蛋笨蛋笨蛋 Nice. Next, 厉害，厉害，厉害 means awesome, impressive. 你厉害，你厉害。Okay, next, we try the high pitch tone, the first tone, and the fourth tone. Da da, da da, da da. Again, da da. Look at this word. 高兴，高兴，高兴，高兴。Good. Next, we reverse it. Fourth tone and the first tone. 大大，大大，大大。Again, 大大。Look at this word. 夏天，夏天，夏天 means summer. Next, it's a raising tone, second tone, and the fourth tone, dropping tone. 大大，大大，大大。Look at this word. 难过，难过，难过，难过 means sad. Next, we reverse it. The fourth tone and the second tone. The tone is da da, da da, da da. Again, da da. Look at this word. 问题，问题，问题 means question. Next, the third tone, low pitch tone, and the dropping tone, the fourth tone. So the tone will be da, 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 da. Good. Look at this word. 请问，请问，请问 means may I ask? When you want to ask some question like where is going or where is it? 请问怎么走？请问在哪里？ Next, we reverse it. The fourth tone and third tone. 大大，大大，大大。Good. 电影，电影，电影。Good. Next, 爱你，爱你。Nice. If you want to add the 我 means I. So I love you is 我爱你，我爱你。Good. Next. Sometimes you will hear the neutral tone. So the neutral tone just repeat the syllables naturally and get weakened and softer. Let me show you. Like this word, ma, 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 ma. Get weakened and softer. Mama, 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 mama. Next, the raising tone and the neutral tone. 鞋子，鞋子，鞋子，鞋子。Next, da, the low pitch tone, da. 奶奶，奶奶，奶奶，奶奶， 奶奶奶奶奶奶。Next， 我的我的 my 我的我的。The fourth tone and neutral tone. 谢谢 original is 谢谢 but you need to put more strength and working on your throat, so we prefer the second syllable become weakened and softer, so it will be 谢谢谢谢谢谢 Okay. Alright, today we learned the fourth tones and the neutral tone in Mandarin Chinese. Just keep practicing the tones with da and try different tone combination. You will feel more nature and see you next time. Bye.